1991, Columbia Pictures introduced you to an extraordinary new filmmaker and an unforgettable new vision. The director was 23-year-old John Singleton. The film, Boys in the Hood. Now, Columbia Pictures is proud to present a remarkable new film from another extraordinary new talent. The director is 23-year-old Robert Rodriguez. The film, El Mariachi. Mariachi.
Us Magazine says it's a movie miracle. Roger Ebert calls it an enormously entertaining movie. 2 thumbs up, Siskel and Ebert. Incredible, Joel Siegel, ABC TV. Time Magazine calls it the year's most entertaining movie. Olé for El Mariachi, Gene Wolfe.
Between a father and son, there are ties that bind.
That's the biggest hickey I've ever seen. I used to go with a girl who gave hickeys like that. I think she became a hooker.
Between youth and manhood, those ties are tested.
I smoke some pot.
Don't lie to me, don't lie to me.
So I've smoked enough grass and drunk enough to know what it's like. That's not what you did last night.
But to walk on the wild side, you pay a price.
The guy been following us or what? Maybe it's the short killer.
Well, we got another one last night.
That makes 9.
And with that price can come revelation.
Can you really tell the future?
In the past.
I don't think I want to know what's going to happen.
Then I will never tell you.
Or a nightmare.
No!
Jeff Goldblum.
Eddie?
Rosanna Arquette.
Can I offer you a bit of advice? Beware of false prophets.
Fathers and sons.